Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're doing Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. It says easy heavy duty restoration. Says 40 minutes. We're gonna, they said kind of do about 10 minutes each application, and there is 3 or 4 applications. You actually have one application, which is the gold, another application, which they say is white and purple, and then you have the little buffer application, which I've already kind of started on the other side. I'll show you that in a little bit. But here's kind of buff it out or whatever. But it seemed to go decent. I have to finish, so I basically just got to a part where I was comfortable starting on the other side. As you can see, I've already taped it, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. But at the end, we'll put on, the wipes, which I'll explain those to you later. So, and it's pretty, I got just a regular DeWalt 20 volt brushless drill, nothing special. I think the main thing is not to put a lot of pressure on it. You only want to go a certain speed. Like I've got mine on lower than 1, which I might take it up to 1. So what you want to do is get the gold one first. Place the gold one on there, and then with it dry, you have to clean it. Wash this off. I use a regular rag, a little bit of Dawn soap, just a little bit, just enough to clean it. Make sure my surface was clean, and then we'll start working on it. Like I said, you want to do about, I say 10 minutes, but depends on, how dirty your lenses are. You might want to do more, you might want to do less. Which as we go along, I will light pressure, almost no pressure at all. Let the drill do all the work. But these lights right here, I looked them up, and they're about $300 or more for a set. And this restoration kit, under 20 bucks. I think we've worked long enough on this side. So we're going to take our dry cloth. Oh yeah, I don't feel any roughness. There is a little bit of blemish in different spots, so I might go a little longer. But yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, this pad looks like it can go a little longer. And that's all with that one. Yeah, don't want to drop that. So let's wipe all of this off, and then we'll go to step 2. Yep. Step 1 is the P500. Step 2 is the P800. So now we're going to go to the P800. And all of your sanding stuff and all like that comes in the box. The only thing that don't come in the box is the towels, the drill, the water, sprayer, stuff like that. Okay, now we're gonna start with this one. I think my drill's getting a little. All right. Let's put the sponge on there. See what it does. This one. Put the sponge on there, see what it does. We might have to go back to that last one. Have to wet the sponge down like that. Wet that down. Okay. Wipe that off. Yep, not so bad. Okay, like I told you, I already worked on the other side, so let's go. Now, see how that is? Let's put you about right there. Now we're going to go back to this side. And what we have to do, got these two whites right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to apply one coat to both of them, let it dry. Well, 5 to 15 minutes. The weather out here, we're gonna go 15 minutes. And then, after 15 minutes, we're gonna get the other one. So, in the directions, it kind of tells you 1 and 2, but there's really not a 1 and 2. Okay, and I think I'm gonna flip mine over, do it on the other side. But, yep, put this on here. All right, guys, I let it wait. It's been 15 minutes. So now we're going to open the other packet. So this is the second packet, which is just like the first. So we're going to go back to this one. And flip it over. And the instruction says, don't let any rain, precipitations, or anything hit this for an hour. I wanted to dry pretty clean, but this is the one that I pretty much showed y'all. So I'm guessing that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. I guess this is just like a clear, this is just a headlight clear coat. So it's just to keep it from, I guess, turning yellow. Yeah, up to 10 times more clarity, up to 4 times longer lasting. So That just keeps them clear longer. So, all right. Appreciate you guys watching. If you try this, I hope it works better for you than it did for me. But I do have to say, I'm 50-50. I'm pleased. 20 bucks. Yeah. We'll see what it looks like at night. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Bye.